when the humid shadows hover over the starry spares, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Okay, humid कहते हैं समथिंग विच इज़ फुल ऑफ मॉइस्चर. ठीक है, जैसे क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस होती हैं, ह्यूमिडिटी होती है, दैट इज समथिंग विच इज़ फुल ऑफ मॉइस्चर. एंड होवर मीन्स मूव अराउंड समथिंग. मार्क मेलनकोली. मेलनकोली मीन्स सैड. ब्लिस मीन्स हैप्पीनेस. ठीक है, और पैटर तो मैंने आपको बताया था, जो साउंड होती है रेन ड्रॉप्स की दैट फॉल्स ऑन योर रूफ, दैट इज नोन एज पैटर. ठीक है, कॉटेज चैम्बर कहते हैं बेडरूम को. सो प्लीज मार्क all these words with pencil and write down the meaning over there. So let us just start the explanation. When the humid shadow hover over all the starry spares, means here the poet is saying that when the humid shadow hovers, humid shadow here refers to the dark clouds which are full of water, full of moisture. So here the poet is saying that when the sky is full of these dark clouds which are having moisture, means which are full of water and are about to bring rain. ठीक है, and so when such clouds hover around in the sky over all the sky at night time. Okay, starry spares refers here to sky at night time which is full of stars. So at that time huge clouds which are full of moisture move around in the sky and the sad darkness of the night is wiped off. Okay, it is saying and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. means जो sad मीन्स सैड या डार्कनेस होती है नाइट की, वो वाइप्ड ऑफ हो गई है. ठीक है, विच इज वाइप्ड ऑफ बाय द रेन ड्रॉप्स विच सीम्स लाइक हाउ इट सीम्स जेंटली वीप्स इन रेनी टेयर्स. वॉट अ ब्लिस टू प्रेस द पिलो ऑफ अ कॉटेज चैम्बर बेड. means huge clouds which are full of moisture, they are moving around in the sky, and the melancholy darkness means and the sad darkness of the night is wiped off by the raindrops which seems like tears falling from the sky. So here the poet is comparing raindrops to tear and is saying that the dark sky which seems to be very sad, it appears as if it is crying, and the raindrops is like the tears shed, means जो raindrops हैं that works here like tears which have been wiped off. Okay, of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. And he is saying that it appears as if it is crying and the raindrops share the tears which shed it by. And he says that it is also a blessing, or it is also is feeling very good that he is lying on a bed in his cottage chamber like a bedroom. Okay, here cottage chamber means bedroom. He is saying that it is also very lovely, it's also a blessing to lie on a bed in his cottage chamber and listen to the sound made by the raindrops falling on the roof. Means it is also he is also feeling very good. He is also feeling very relaxed by listening to the pattered sound of rain. Okay, raindrops. Pattered मैंने आपको बताया, sound made by the raindrops falling on the roof. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into wove. And as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. So here tingle means short. Okay, means short or light ringing sound. ठीक है, बहुत हल्की, बहुत शॉर्ट सी रिंगिंग साउंड, दैट इज नोन एज टिंकल. शिंगल्स कहते हैं रेक्टेंगुलर वुडन टाइल्स यूज्ड ऑन रूफ. जो रूफ्स पे एक रेक्टेंगल वुडन टाइल्स लगाए जाते हैं उसको शिंगल्स बोलते हैं. इको आपको पता होगा क्या होती है. ठीक है, साउंड, रिपीटेड साउंड, दैट इज नोन एज इको. वूफ कहते